How you guys doing today? It's Mozzy. Thank you again for watching one of my videos. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed the show. For today, I'm going to do a quick little upgrade to my Toyota Corona. And what we're going to do? Well, we're going to install a pair of seat jackers for the passenger side to make the passenger a little more comfortable. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. So this is really simple. Let me show you what you need. 14 millimeter socket wrench and a pair of seat jackers. I'll be honest with you guys, I got these secondhand from Facebook Marketplace. If somebody does know what brand these are, let me know. I would like to order the Desert seat jacks, but they're super expensive, and I don't feel like spending $100 plus shipping on it. So let me know, guys. So let's get this started. I remove the seat all the way back. Let's take these covers off. All right, so I know this is being held over here, and there's two little clips on either side. So I think I'm gonna just take this and try to push it forward. Push this up and forward. Let's see first how this is gonna go. Maybe not. Maybe I have to push it this way. Woo! All right, if somebody knows a better way, let me know. Same thing to this side. That one's easier. This side, just grab and pull. So we're gonna need to take these bolts out from the front here and here, and also loosen up the rear ones. So let's do that. Okay. All right, now let's go to the back. All right, so I moved the seat all the way forward. Let's take out these covers. All right, so let's put these in. These have like little, so you have to put it this way. This has a hole in it, a nut. Let's put that up here, this way. All right. This way, okay. You can see it just lines up. I'm gonna put the OEM bolt on the OEM bolt on the bottom, and the bolts that came with it on top. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely has more support here now. Before I always felt there was a little space, a little gap here. Now it's much better. I like it. And that's it. That's all it is. 5-10 minutes to make it a little more comfortable for a passenger side. I really like how it is because before I sat in the passenger side, I always felt there was like not enough support for your the bottom of your legs. But now it seems good. I think I might have to get a pair for my driver's side. So guys, let me know if you guys have seat jackets, which one you used. Let me know if it's worth to get those expensive Desert seat jackets, because although I would like to have them, spending over $100 on 2 seat jackets is a lot. Let me know what else you guys have. Take care. Till next time.